Motion capture has proved to be invaluable in many areas. From coaching top-level athletes to preserving and passing on traditional performance arts. Cameras have long been the main tool used to capture movement, but that approach requires expensive equipment that can't easily be brought into manufacturing facilities. TOSHIBA has developed an inexpensive motion capture system that attaches to the body the same acceleration sensors that are found in smartphones. They are used to record movement and can graphically show how young and veteran technicians perform differently. Their entire body movement can be captured, and the information can be analyzed with musculoskeletal simulations. TOSHIBA's motion capture systems bring us closer than ever to understanding the physical secrets of skilled artisans.